We're going to write an equation for a bisector. And we want it to be a perpendicular bisector of a segment within points -2, 3, and 4, 1. So to get a visual look at this so it makes a little bit more sense, I have graphed -2, 3, left 2 up 3, and Q at right 4 up 1 to get an idea. I want to do a perpendicular bisector and find the name of that equation. Now, if you're looking at this, if you wanted to say, well, where do I think the middle is? I'm going to say I think the middle is right there. It looks like it's the middle, just visually, and so let's see if when we use the midpoint formula, it comes out like that. Here's x1, y1, here's x2, y2, and my midpoint formula is add the x's, divide by 2. Hold on, I should have had 1 and 2 right here, wrote it wrong. Let me fix that. Add the x's, divide by 2, add the y's, divide by 2. So I've got -2 plus 4 divided by 2, and 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So that's 2 over 2. That's 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So my midpoint is at 1, 2. It is exactly where I thought it would be. So I'm going to put an M right there. That ordered pair is 1, 2. Now, I found the midpoint. Perpendicular bisector cuts a leg in half. That cut PQ in half. Now I need to find the slope of PQ so I can use the perpendicular slope of it. So you could use the slope formula, but if I have an equation, I'm just going to count it and count it. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to count up. I'm going to count up 2. I'm rising 2, and I'm running, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. That's a negative slope, and that reduces to -1/3 when I divide them both by 2. So I need to use that -1/3 slope here, or I need to use the perpendicular slope of -1/3. So the perpendicular slope would be to flip this and change its sign of 3. So from M, I want to rise 1, 2, 3 and run 1 right. Rise 1, 2, 3, run 1 right. Or I could fall 1, 2, 3 and run 1 left, and I'll have that line that is a perpendicular bisector. Okay. So it looks like to me, I'm going to have a slope of 3, and it looks like it's crossing the y-axis at -1. So y equals, the slope has to be the perpendicular one, 3x, looks to be crossing at the -1, so -1. And I believe that would be it. That's your answer, y equals 3x -1.